Hello, my name is Jerly and I'm going to talk about and health. I usually eat healthy food. For breakfast, I eat breakfast and some fruit. For lunch, I eat rice, chicken, and salad. Sometimes I eat, eat fish because it's good for my health. And I usually have something like sugar or sugar and don't into smash your food because it's not healthy. We should in vegetable and deep water every day. We shouldn't eat too much sugar or for food is where it helps us stay strong and healthy. Sanjo.